How to cancel direct debit on Hsbc app. Now, first things first is I won't be able to show you directly from the application due to security purposes. So everything can be accessed or everything can be done via the Hsbc application. All you have to do is make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the application. So of course, open up the app and make sure that you're logged into the account in which you will have to cancel direct debit. Now, direct debit is very accessible. All you have to do from there is just choose on manage bills. Now, once you've accessed manage bills, you now then choose the relevant account where you would like the direct debit to be canceled. Now, once you have chosen that account, you will always have an option to cancel it, and then on the next page, you will have a confirmation page if you would really like to cancel direct debit on that relevant account. Once you cancel it, all confirmations will also have a copy to the email address associated with your Hsbc application. Once you've successfully canceled it, review all the transactions you did with that application to make sure that you have fully canceled the direct debit. And that is how you cancel a direct debit on Hsbc app.